Okay, children, you all must be ready with your social studies copies now. I'll be sending you the first two question and answers of the lesson Homes of Animals. So when you write the heading on top, lesson Homes of Animals, you will write today's date, that is 3/8/21. Now children, before we start doing this work, I'll be sending you a notice फ्रॉम टुमारो जो आपको डेट्स दी जाएंगी उनमें आपको उन डेट्स में यू हैव टू सबमिट योर कॉपीज़. डेट्स एंड सब्जेक्ट्स अभी मैं पोस्ट करूँगी. कल सुबह 8:30 से 10:30 के बीच आपको कॉपीज़ सबमिट करनी है. सो कैसे करनी है ये बाद में मैं ग्रुप में मैसेज डाल दूँगी. राइट. सो जिन्होंने काम नहीं किया है प्लीज़ कंप्लीट इट टुडे. Cover your copies, write your name, class, section and the subject on the cover, on the label that you will put on the cover. Right? So from tomorrow someone will have to come to school to drop the copies and जो dates दी हैं उनमें आपको वापस पिकअप करने की भी डेट दी होगी. Right? So while you're doing your question and answers, children, I'll be taking your attendance also. So I'm posting the question and answers. Please do them neatly. No spelling mistake.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
I can't hear you, child. Repeat your question again. Homes of Animals. Today's date. Start writing the questions and answers, please.
Ma'am, we are not in Lucknow.
So what is to be done about that, beta? You tell me. How will your copies be checked?
How to submit the copies?
You tell me, how will I check your copies? Okay, children, get ready for your attendance, please. Adya Verma. Adya Verma. Adya Verma present? Okay. Achint present.
Ma'am.
Advait. Adyan is absent. Advait present.
Edward present.
Akshat.
Present, ma'am.
Akshay Gupta. Akshay Gupta.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Akshita Yadav.
Present, ma'am.
Arna Raj,
Present, ma'am.
Arsalan,
Present, ma'am.
Ayansh, Ayansh, whose mic is switched on?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Devansh,
Present, ma'am.
Ekagr,
Present, ma'am.
Fazilat, Fazilat, Fazilat Fatma,
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, on the forms of animals, the third answer is there.
कौन सा दे दिया बेटा? Wait, let me check. Sorry.
Third answer.
Oh, sorry.
Third answer.
Yes.
मैम आपने गलत वर्क सेंड कर दिया है। गलत कर दिया।
Check your work now, children, please. Check your work.
मैम excuse
Yes. Please rub out the work that you have done, children. Please rub out the work that you have done and start from question and answer number 1.
मैम
I said please
मैम
rub.
मेरी अटेंडेंस नहीं लगी है।
हाँ,
मैम मेरी अटेंडेंस नहीं लगी है।
तुमको अभी तब मैं तुम्हारे नाम तक अभी पहुंची कहाँ हूँ? Please be present in class. You were not there for the Hindi class. Okay. Children, please rub out question 3 if you have started on question 3. To start question 1 and 2. Write question 1 and 2 first, please. Switch off your mics, please. Fazilat is absent. Hanifa, whose mic is switched on, please switch it off. I will not be able to take the attendance properly. Hashmi Verma,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Havira,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Ishanvi,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Jennifer, Jennifer, are you there? Laiba,
प्रेजेंट।
Lavik Agarwal, Mahira Fatima,
प्रेजेंट Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Abdullah, Mohammad
Present,
Abdullah,
ma'am.
Mohammad Yasir, 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 are you there, child? Hussein, Hussein,
Present, ma'am.
present ma'am, very good. Smile, Mohammad Ismail, Izan Siddiqui,
Present, ma'am.
Myra Tandon,
Present, ma'am.
Nabiha Fatma, Nabiha, Naima, Naima Khan,
Present, ma'am.
Nishkat,
Present, ma'am.
Saida,
Present, ma'am.
Shayan,
Present, ma'am.
Suknoor, Swastik, Swastik, Tasmia, Tasmia,
Present, ma'am.
Veronica, Veronica,
Present, ma'am.
Vidushi, Vidushi,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Viraj,
Present, ma'am.
Yashwardhan, Yashwardhan. Beta, you were there, Yashwardhan. Please say present, ma'am. Okay. Yatharth, Yatharth.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Nabiha, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Nabiha, are you there, beta? Because you were there. I saw you just now. Okay. Sanskar. Sanskar. Present, ma'am. Yes. Okay. Hussein, has anyone finished the first two questions? If you have, please send me the work on WhatsApp, children. No one has completed the work?
मैम इंडिपेंडेंस डे इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्री
इससे पूछो बेटा, जो कंपटीशन है उसके बारे में पूछ रही हो।
मैम जो इंडिपेंडेंस डे को फ्लैग बनाना है वो कब सबमिट करना है?
डेट देखो क्या दी है बेटा उसमें।
इंडिपेंडेंस डे
See the date. I have sent the date
मैम
also.
योर वॉइस
मैम ने क्या डेट दी है इसमें? ट्वेल्थ ऑफ अगस्त। 12 अगस्त को। Still writing, children? Children, once you finish writing these two question and answers, please send them to me in the group in the next 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, please don't send your work. After that, your classes are over for today, children. Bye bye. Take care.